Hi friends, welcome to this pre-market analysis of Nifty, where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. So one of the major incidents that had moved the market on the previous trading day was the RBI directive banning revolving credit. It just means that, for example, if you have ever bought electronic items on your Bajaj FinServ no cost EMI, that is exactly what is going to be stopped right now. Will not be as easy as seamless as it used to be previously. So previously, what they used to do is there used to be a certain eligibility criteria that you had to be assessed for once, and then whenever you wanted to buy something, you just go, and then if the whole credit limit is 5 lakhs, you can always buy something up to 5 lakhs. Like you buy something for 1 lakh, repay it, 2 lakh, repay it, 3 lakh, repay it, and then you don't have to do so. It actually put RBI in a tricky situation where tracking the repayment amount and the loan amount became tricky. So at least that's what the explanation was given, and that has put the core business of the core cash flow of Bajaj Financial Services, Bajaj FinServ, and a lot of other companies in question. That's the reason we saw large correction in Bajaj FinServ. Let's see what happens today. And coming to Nifty here, if you this is the daily chart of Nifty. If you can look at this, Nifty is consolidating in this level. It has to break out. It has to break out big, and that is what we are waiting for. So the result season is almost finishing, and then the big move hasn't happened. Big move has happened in a lot of individual companies in the small and mid cap sectors, but it hasn't happened in the index as is. So we are still waiting for that. Now, getting rid of this and starting with today's analysis, one of the major movers today would be the purported 100% tariffs imposed upon India by the American Senate. So let's see what impact it's going to have. I am not. I am of the opinion it might have a small bounce. If you get Nifty somewhere lower, I would go for a long trade. But because this has been ongoing for a long time, I think most of it has already been factored. Let's see what happens today. This is Nifty on a monthly time frame. There are just two important levels to look out for. This is where the support is, and this is where the resistance is. And Nifty is supposed to trade between the two of this. But make no mistake, Nifty can go down while not breaking this swing low. Stay much above 2317, 2380, and then at the end and stay there forever until and the end of the month. On the last day it could be bought back in, and still it is respected. So when I draw these lines on a monthly time frame, it does not mean that Nifty will only trade between these two. I was just trying to explain that part. Now going over to the bias here is bullish. There's a swing low and there is a high low formed. Now going over to the weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, Nifty is the bias is not sure. The swing low here, the swing low was taken. The swing high was taken. So basically, it's consolidating on a weekly time frame. There are not many important levels I want to draw. I'm going to the daily time frame. On a daily time frame, Nifty is bullish. So it's bullish. Why is it bullish? Let's take a quick look. This is a swing low, this is a higher swing, higher low, and that's why it is bullish. There's an important level on the daily time frame, that is these two green candles. If you can see here, just before the fall, you see these two green candles formed, and that's an order block. That's the smart money gathering orders from retailers like you and me before taking all our stop loss. So the midpoint of that is the mean price at which this transaction had happened, and that is approximately 24 25 5 77 25 600 approximately. That could be the next resistance if Nifty decides to go up, and support could be this swing low. So I haven't marked this level. So on a daily time frame, this could be support if Nifty decides to come down, and that level is 23,600. There's a lot of fair value gaps in between. All these are buy side liquidity. This could all slow down the fall if Nifty falls because of the tariff news. Going over to the 4-hour time frame. On a 4-hour time frame, Nifty is not sure. Why is it not sure? You can see this consolidation here. There are higher lows formed, lower highs, lower highs formed, and that is not conducive for me to look say a bias. On an hourly time frame, Nifty is bearish. Why is it bearish? See, there's a swing high and a lower high, so that makes Nifty bearish. It's a pretty mixed bag of signals here, so we'll have to wait for Nifty's open and then see where Nifty goes. That's it from my side. I am not a certified analyst and I do this only for educational purpose. Thank you.